You can find a list of items needed in the description below. First thing we're going to do is pour the sugar into the pan. And after this, we're going to take our honey and pop it in with the sugar. A ratio of about 3:1 is perfect. Now it's time to get Mum or Dad to light the stove. We want to start it off on a low heat. It's important to stir the mixture, otherwise it'll burn. We want to turn it into a liquid consistency. Put it on for about a minute, maybe 2. Eventually it'll start to simmer, it'll turn a bit darker and it'll be very runny. Now it's time to add our bicarb soda. Add around 1 tablespoon. Give the mixture a good stir, it's going to start fizzing up. Make sure that you've got your pan ready to transfer the mixture into. Once you've transferred some of your mixture into a pan, we're going to have to put it into the fridge for a little while to cool down and harden. After a while in the fridge, it's going to go really hard. Now we have to get it out of the pan. As you can see, it can be very stubborn to get out of the pan. It doesn't matter if you break it, because we're going to break it up anyway. Now it's time to give it a taste test. Pretty good. I reckon it would go really well with some chocolate or some ice cream.